In this video, we'll be unboxing the Note 10 Plus 5G, so let's get it started. So let's take a look at the box. The Samsung Galxy Note 10 Plus with the details at the back. So it's on the 5G network with a 6.8-inch display with a triple camera setup, including a fourth camera, which is the depth vision camera, and it's 256 gigabytes of memory with a 12 gigs of RAM and an impressive 45-watt charging speeds. What does it come with? Also comes with a USB-A to USB-C adapter. Pretty cool. And you got some AKG headset. So let's take a look at the Note 10 Plus 5G. So we've got the hole punch camera similar to the Samsung Galaxy S10, and on the sides we've got the rolling rocker. We've got the, I believe this key is just a side button, and they've removed the Bixby key. So as you can notice, we don't have any power buttons on the right side. So at the bottom we've got a mic in with the USB-C port, speaker grill, and we've got a nice blue S Pen. This is my first Galaxy phone that I'm using with the Note series, so this is going to be awesome. So let's check the rest of the phone out. So at the top of the phone we've got another microphone. We've got another speaker on the top, but it looks like it's upward facing rather than frontward facing on the Samsung Galaxy S10. And we've got a SIM card tray slot. So the Note 10 Plus accepts a nano SIM card and a SD card. So let's have a look at the back. The color I've got is the Aura Glow color. So you can see, depending on the angle it's at, it will show different colors. You can see a bit of red, orange, yellow, green, blue. It looks amazing. So this is what you get on a fresh install of your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. As you can see, you've got the Samsung's clear stock wallpaper. Then you've got a few icons here, and these are the apps that you get pre-installed on your Note 10 Plus.